Okay, so here is the Typecase Slim Minimalist Airtag card wallet. I've been using it for over a year, and you can see it has held up well. Even with 5 cards and 5 bills, the wallet is still quite slim. Slim enough to fit in a front pocket quite comfortably. It is easy to access the internal pockets as well, by just squeezing a bit on the top and bottom to open them. There are a total of 3 pockets, in addition to the side card pockets. Here is the side view again, so you can get a sense of how thick it is, with cash and all of the card slots filled. One card slot is transparent, so you can display your ID, if desired. While we found it quite easy to access cards, the slots were snug enough that we never had an issue with them slipping out. Similarly, we never had any issues with the AirTag moving, and the wallet has a dedicated sleeve and AirTag-shaped holder that keeps it firmly in place. Even though it is secure, you can easily remove it to replace the battery when needed. Installing it is as easy as slipping it back into its dedicated pocket. Overall, this has been an excellent wallet. Super slim and comfortable, and enables you to use the Apple Find My app to keep track of your wallet at all times. As you can see, it is holding up great, even after over a year. We give it a 5-star rating.